Hi enjoypreneurs! Welcome to inJoy's Christmas Special Recipe Ideas. Palapit na ng papalapit ang Christmas enjoypreneurs, siguradong naghahanap na kayo ng iba't ibang recipe ideas na gusto nyong subukan. Kaya naman today, we will share these two easy and delicious recipes using inJoy fruit syrups. For our first recipe, let's create an easy dessert idea that you and your family will surely enjoy. First, prepare your inJoy flavored gulaman. Add in 6 cups of water and pour in your gulaman powder. Mix it well. Once ma-mix na natin, let's add in inJoy fruit syrup into your gulaman mixture to add flavor. Mix well until fully incorporated. Now slowly transfer it into your container. You can also use different kinds of molder para mas lalo itong ma-enjoy ng iyong family. Let it cool and refrigerate for best results. Next will be fruit salad. One of the best dessert at talagang the best pang Christmas recipe. Or kahit hindi Christmas recipe dahil isa ito sa mga best dessert para sa mga bata or matatanda. Here's our ingredients for this recipe. For our flavored gulaman, just mix 1.5 liters or 6 cups of water and 1 pack or 25 grams of inJoy flavored gulaman. Cook it at medium heat with continuous stirring. Once mixed, transfer the mixture into your molder. Since nakapag-prepare na tayo ng mga ingredients na kailangan natin, we can now add in the ingredients in our bowl. First, add your desired inJoy flavored gulaman. Ang gagamitin namin ay mango, pandan, almond, and cherry. Next, fruit cocktail, buko strips, all-purpose cream, condensed milk, at syempre, para mas maging masarap at special, let's add in our inJoy 4-season fruit syrup and mix it well. Siguradong bibigyan ito ng kakaibang twist ang fruit salad mo. Pwede mo rin gamitin ng iba't iba pang flavor ng fruit syrup ng inJoy. And that's it! Quick, easy, and affordable recipe ideas using inJoy fruit syrup na talagang magiging paborito ninyo. Comment below and share this video kung nagustuhan ninyo ang bago naming recipe ideas. Thanks for watching and see you on our next Christmas recipe videos. Bye!